Hi, boys and girls. We're going to do another CGI problem today. Okay, this time we're going to learn all about beetles, right? So remember, when I do a CGI problem, right, I'm going to listen to my story carefully. I'm going to retell my story, right? After I retell my story, I'm going to label my picture, then I'm going to solve my problem, and then I'm going to explain it. Okay, so here is my story about beetles. One day, I went to the park and I was walking all around the park, and it was so beautiful out that I decided to walk through the path in the park. And when I went in the path, I saw one beetle. At first, I was a little scared because I'm afraid of beetles, but it was such a beautiful beetle that I forgot that I was afraid of the beetle. And then I kept walking along and I saw four more beautiful beetles. Okay, can you try to retell that story by yourself? Great job. So remember, when I'm retelling, I'm adding in all of the details that I told, right? So it was a beautiful day outside. I decided to go for a walk in the park, right? And it was so beautiful out that I decided to go and walk through the path in the park. And I saw one beetle. At first, I was scared, but it was so beautiful that I forgot that I was scared, right? And then I decided to keep walking, and I saw four more beautiful beetles. Okay, so now I'm going to think, how many beetles did I see in all? So on my slides, right, I'm thinking about, I'm going to label first. I saw my one beautiful beetle, right? My one beautiful beetle. And then I kept walking in the park and I saw four more beautiful beetles, right? So now I'm going to think, how many beetles did I see in all? I know that one and four, when I put them together, that's five. So 1 plus 4 equals 5. Now I'm going to explain how I thought about this, right? How did I figure out that it was 5? Well, what I did was I took the bigger number 4, and I knew that one more than 4 is 5, because that's the next number that comes up after 4. Okay, so what you guys are going to do is the same thing like we did yesterday with the sharks. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is retell my story. The second thing you're going to do is label your picture. The third thing you're going to do is solve your problem. And then the fourth thing you're going to do is explain, how did you figure out how many there were? Okay, and then you're going to upload your videos and complete your slides on the drive.